Hey, what's up guys? Shamil here with New Water Glass, and I'm working on a Cadillac ATS. And with Cadillac, there's a problem that I get. The urethane, the factory urethane fail. Like if there's no bond, so when you go to cut it off, it just peels off. And when that happens, what I recommend doing is try to get as much as you can off. Like right there, you see that it's coming off. Look at that. Gotta clean all that off. That's no good. There'll be no bond. Take all that off, then all the way to the bare metal as much as you can. Then I will recommend, once you get it all off, priming it, and then wait a few minutes, and after it dries, go one more layer of primer. So this way the metal, this bare metal, has a bond with the primer, and then you could lay a nice bead of a urethane. So let me just clean it as much as I can and prime it, and then I'll show you what it looked like after it. Alright, so I primed it. Well, first I scraped as much as I could, because you don't want that loose urethane still be on the body and then breaking the bond. Because you put a new urethane on top of it, it will not bond properly. So now it's primed, and this is the first layer. You want to do 2 layers. So after priming it, wait a few minutes, say like 5 minutes. While this drying up, I'll go clean the glass, prep it, do all that stuff, and come back and prime it again. So this way I want to make sure the new glue has a good bond with the metal. Alright, so I cleaned the glass, I primed it. While I was doing that, that was enough time for it to primer to dry. Now it requires the second layer of priming, and then it's ready for a urethane. Here we go. Job done properly, primed properly, installed properly, using a Proset. Amazing tool. I definitely recommend using a Proset. Proset every set. And there you go. Thank you for watching, guys, and have a good day.